Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this quick Power Platform how-to video, I'll show you how to extend your trial environment. If you've created a trial environment in the Power Platform Admin Center, it's retained by default for 30 days. When it's about to expire, here's how you can extend it for another 30 days. There's a way we can do that. Let me show you how you can extend your trial environment. For instance, this is my trial environment, which is going to expire in 1 day. I want to extend this trial environment by another 30 days. Let's click on this environment. You'll see this notification. This environment will expire in 1 day. To keep it, either extend the trial or convert it to a production environment. You can see an Extend Trial button. Just click on this. Before you extend the trial, make sure to read the pop-up acknowledgement message. Before extending, note this. Extending the trial will add up to 30 days to the environment. This can be done only once. After the extension, you must convert the environment to production to keep it beyond the expiration date. Further extension requests will not be granted. That's fine. At least I can use my trial environment for another 30 days. Then click on the Extend Trial button. I have clicked on this Extend Trial button. The trial environment's expiration has been successfully extended by 29 days. Which was about to expire in 1 day. Now it got extended by another 30 days. Now you can see the new expiry days, which is 31 days, in the environment type column. That's it. We're done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power Platform quick how-to videos. And if you're looking for a full Power Platform administration tutorial, it's waiting for you at the end of this video.